Do you think a small front yard can't make a big impression? Think again. With the right rustic and vintage-inspired ideas, even the tiniest space can turn into a warm, welcoming retreat. Today, we're exploring clever upcycling hacks and garden design ideas that bring character, creativity, and charm right to your doorstep. Welcome to Relax Gardens, your source for trending garden inspiration, DIY transformations, and creative outdoor decor. If you love simple, budget-friendly ways to refresh your garden, you're in the perfect place. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Relax Gardens, and leave a comment sharing how you'd love to upcycle and style your own front yard. Now, let's get inspired. Why buy new when you can upcycle? Old chairs, tables, or wooden crates can be repurposed into unique garden decor pieces. A weathered chair can become a flower stand, or a wooden ladder can hold cascading pots of greenery. These hacks not only save money, but also add character to your garden. Each piece tells a story, and together they create a rustic, vintage look that feels authentic and personal. A rustic bench can instantly create a cozy corner in your garden. Using reclaimed wood or vintage iron frames, you can build or repurpose a bench that feels both inviting and timeless. Place it under a tree, along a garden path, or near a cluster of flowers. Add a few soft touches like cushions or throw blankets, and you've got a perfect spot for relaxing outdoors. Small gardens can still shine with rustic charm. Try natural stone pathways, wooden planters, and vintage-style garden decor. Add climbing plants to create vertical interest, and use earthy tones to tie the space together. A few rustic accents, even in a tiny garden, can turn into a peaceful and welcoming retreat that feels much larger than it actually is. Go green while keeping it rustic with DIY hacks. Reuse glass jars or lanterns, wooden crates for shelving, or old bottles as garden borders. These simple ideas not only recycle materials, but also bring a natural, handmade feel to your garden. By combining eco-friendly choices with rustic touches, your outdoor space becomes both sustainable and stylish. Even in small spaces, pathways can have magic. Use gravel, stepping stones, or reclaimed bricks to design a rustic path that guides visitors through your garden. Accentuate it with small plants or vintage-inspired borders. A simple path can create depth, structure, and a cozy, inviting atmosphere that transforms limited spaces into something special. Old furniture doesn't have to go to waste. A coat of paint, some sanding, or a new cushion can breathe life into vintage garden furniture. Restoring these pieces keeps their history alive while giving your garden a rustic, cozy vibe. Each restored piece becomes more than just furniture. It's a character-filled statement in your outdoor design. tight spaces don't have to limit your creativity. By choosing compact plants, vertical displays, and rustic accents, you can maximize every corner of your front yard. Add a small focal point like a vintage planter or decorative garden piece, and the area will instantly feel more intentional and welcoming. Creative planning can make even the smallest front yard unforgettable. And that's how small spaces can shine with vintage magic and rustic charm. From creative upcycling hacks to timeless garden inspiration. You don't need a big yard or a big budget to make your front yard unforgettable. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with other garden lovers. And subscribe to Relax Gardens for more weekly design inspiration. Tell us in the comments, which rustic upcycling idea would you love to try first? Thanks for watching, and until next time, may your garden always bloom with beauty and creativity.